You're watching Sierra Janae. Let's go.
So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way. No other way, other way. Tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way. No.
Hello, gorgeous people, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and blessed, and I am just so overjoyed. I'm so happy throughout this whole process of moving. Today is October 31st. Just letting you know, I do not celebrate Halloween whatsoever. Like I said, Jesus is the reason for every season. As you can see, I already have my Christmas tree up in the back. I always keep it up every year round. It makes me happy. And of course, like I said, I'm very happy to be moving out of my small little space. But you're just gonna see a just little pan of me moving my things, and I should be packed up soon within the next 4 weeks. So I would just be doing video clips here and there so you guys can stay updated with me. Your girl is moving out. Just want to update you guys, your girl is getting ready to move. I have about 4 weeks to move, so it's been a lot. So I've been busy. So you guys, I'm trying to just stay connected with you guys, and I thank you guys for following me. If you have not subscribed or hit that notification bell, do so right now and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for more uploads like these, and also tell someone about me and subscribe. Also, November is coming up, my birthday month, so you guys will be seeing some birthday vlogs and birthday videos, so stay tuned for those. Hopefully I can get everything edited, like you guys might have seen before this video my class reunion video, and also before that the Samina Mughal fashion show video, and also check out my other video, the 17 things to bring to a fashion show. So like I said, you guys, I'm really trying to roll these out. My schedule has been hectic at work, like I'm not able to just edit my vlogs right now, so please forgive me for that. But I thank you guys for subscribing. You are such a blessing. I'm truly grateful for all of my subscribers. I believe I'm up to 108 subscribers, so keep it coming, keep subscribing, keep supporting your girl, keep supporting the growth, and I'm just really grateful. God bless y'all, and I hope y'all are doing well, and I hope you are enjoying this vlog so far. So let's get into the moving process. Okay, really quick, you guys, I just want to show you these moving boxes. I picked them up from Home Depot the other day. They were just only $1.58, so that was very affordable for these moving boxes. They are the medium size moving boxes. It's getting so surreal, you guys. I'm so excited, you just don't know. I am truly blessed and truly grateful again. So yeah, and I also got some packing tape to go along with the boxes. I believe the tape was probably, since it was the heavy duty, I believe it was like $6 and something. But yeah, so your girl is getting ready to move out of her room. And this is what the tape looks like. It's the Scotch heavy duty for rough handling packing tape right here from Home Depot. This is the room situation right now. It's just things everywhere. I'm getting everything packed. As you can see, I have packages on the floor here. Just everything. I just need to get everything packed up and ready to go. Okay, you guys, I am getting ready to pack and tape up these boxes. I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna tape up the boxes and just go through my clothes, and whatever I don't want, I'm gonna give them away to like the clothing bins or the Salvation Army bins, and just give away those unwanted clothes that I don't want anymore, that I'm not wearing anymore, and just give them to someone that really needs. So let's get started. I got 1 box done and 9 more to go. So I got 10 boxes in all. So I got 9 more boxes to tape up, and the girl will be set to start packing. I also got some of those tubs, so I'll be putting some of my things in the tub. I'm just so excited. Y'all know how it be when y'all moving, okay? Y'all know how it be, but I'm so excited. This is a great new journey for me. So this is a new chapter in my life, and I'm glad to bring you on with me. Come on. I'm excited. This has been a long road. Any of my family that knows me knows how excited I am about this. And sorry if I'm sounding kind of scratchy in my throat. I am fine. I'm just tired, but I'm so excited. Woo! I'm moving. So next time you guys see me, I will be in my apartment. And of course, I'm doing an apartment tour, an empty apartment tour, and a fully furnished apartment tour. So just stay tuned for that in the future. But yeah, this is getting so real, you guys. I'm so glad to be bringing you on with me on this journey. So, oh my goodness, I'm so ecstatic. This is crazy. So I will see you guys in the next few clips. So just keep watching. So as you see, the first thing I will be packing up is all of my Shein orders and packages that I want to do future hauls on. So that's what I'm about to do now, and I'm about to put some of these items into the boxes that I just put together. So yeah, so excited. And after that, then I'm gonna head to bed. Moving day, guys. So you see everything has, got everything down. So we're gonna get ready, get the U-Haul, and I'll see you at my apartment. You did, baby, you did it.
Well, here we go. Okay.